Here are 3 side hustle ideas you can start in 2022 to replace your 9 to 5, and in my opinion, the last one's the best one. First one is print on demand. You can create your own designs and sell them on t-shirts, coffee mugs, journals, planners, the list goes on and on. The cool part about this is you can sell your own unique designs and you don't have to hold any inventory, because as soon as someone orders it, that's when the company creates it and ships it. Number 2 is Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. Essentially, you're selling your own products on Amazon, having your manufacturer ship your products there, and they will handle all of your inventory, shipping, returns, etc. And number 3, my personal favorite, is affiliate marketing. Basically, what you're doing is promoting products and services for existing businesses. 86% of businesses have these affiliate programs. They provide you with special links to their products that, when purchased through, give you a commission. You can promote as many businesses at once as you like, and there's no limit to how much you can make per day or per month. If you want to know exactly how I got started with this and turned it into a 6-figure income in my very first year, go to the link in my bio.